Choosing the right windows for your home plays a major role in comfort, energy efficiency, and long-term durability, especially in a place like Austin, where heat and humidity are a daily reality for much of the year. Awning windows have become a popular option for homeowners looking for practical performance without sacrificing style. Their unique design makes them particularly well-suited for Austin's demanding climate. Built for heat and moisture control, awning windows are hinged at the top and open outward from the bottom, creating a protective awning-like effect. This design allows fresh air to circulate while helping keep rain and moisture outside. In a humid environment like Austin, controlling moisture is essential to preventing mold growth and maintaining indoor air quality. Because awning windows close tightly against the frame, they provide an excellent seal when shut, reducing the amount of hot, humid air that can seep into your home. Improved energy efficiency in hot weather. Keeping your home cool in Austin often means running air conditioning for extended periods. Older or inefficient windows can allow heat to enter, forcing your cooling system to work harder and driving up energy bills. Awning windows are known for their energy-efficient performance. Their compression seal design creates a tighter closure than many other window types, minimizing air leakage. When paired with modern insulated glass, awning windows help maintain stable indoor temperatures and reduce strain on your HVAC system. Ventilation without compromising comfort. Proper ventilation is important in humid climates, but opening windows can sometimes invite heat and rain inside. Awning windows solve this problem by allowing airflow even during light rain. This makes them ideal for improving ventilation while maintaining comfort. For Austin homeowners, this means you can enjoy fresh air during early mornings or evenings without worrying about sudden weather changes or increased indoor humidity. Ideal for rainy and stormy conditions. Austin's weather can shift quickly, especially during storm seasons. Awning windows are designed to handle these changes effectively. When open, their outward tilt helps deflect rain away from the window opening, making them one of the most weather-resistant window styles available. This feature provides peace of mind, allowing you to keep windows partially open for ventilation even when the weather is unpredictable. Space-saving and versatile design. Awning windows are a smart choice for areas where space is limited or privacy is a concern. They are commonly installed higher on walls, making them perfect for bathrooms, kitchens, or basements. In Austin homes, they also pair well with fixed windows or picture windows to enhance natural light without sacrificing energy efficiency. Their sleek design complements both modern and traditional home styles, making them a versatile option for many architectural preferences. Enhanced security features. Security is another important consideration for homeowners. Awning windows typically use multi-point locking systems, which provide added protection compared to sliding or single-hung windows. Because they open outward and are harder to force open from the outside, they offer an extra layer of security for Austin homes. Long-term durability and value. Awning windows are built to withstand challenging weather conditions, making them a durable investment. Materials such as vinyl, aluminum, or composite frames resist moisture damage and warping, which is especially beneficial in humid climates. By upgrading to awning windows, Austin homeowners can increase property value while enjoying improved comfort, energy savings, and lasting performance. A smart solution for Austin homes. For homeowners seeking a window style that handles heat, humidity, and changing weather with ease, awning windows are a smart and reliable choice. Their energy efficiency, ventilation benefits, and durability make them well suited for Austin's climate, offering comfort and confidence year-round.